Hello, this is Sage, the Balloon Sage, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to create a birthday balloon decoration with an elegant floral theme, featuring a unique Mylar attachment method that I bet you've never seen. All you need is a 34-inch Mylar number balloon, 8 11-inch rounds, I used green rainbow super agates, 11 twisting balloons, 4 red and 7 green. And it all comes together with a pump, scissors, and curling ribbon. Let's start by inflating our foil number balloon. Make sure to turn it upside down when pumping, so the nozzle doesn't get kinked. Inflate 4 11-inch round balloons, 20 pumps each. Pair them up by tying the nozzles together. Then, spin both pairs at the centers to form your base quad. Inflate 4 11-inch round balloons, 10 pumps each. Pair them up. Then make your second, smaller base quad. Unspool a length of curling ribbon. Snip it off. And wind it into the center of your large base quad. Place your smaller base quad on top, intersecting as shown. And then bind them together by winding the ribbon thoroughly around both quads. Base complete. The rose. Inflate a green twisting balloon, about 15 inches or so. Now, form a trio of evenly sized, 3-inch long petal twists. Despite the deceptive label of petal twist, these will of course be representing the rose's leaves. Inflate a rose-colored 260 about 22 inches or so. And tie the nozzle into the center of the leaves. Use the width of your hand to measure a cylinder twist. After that, form 3 pinch twists. Follow that up with a matching cylinder. And lock it all in place. Form your third matching cylinder twist. Lock it in place. And finish with a fourth and final cylinder. Squeeze the flour and lock it in. This part is a little tricky. Spread 2 cylinders and tuck the remaining balloon in between them while displacing the air. Stretch, squeeze, and soften the final portion of balloon. Then wrap it tightly, methodically, around the 3 pinch twists. Bring that tail down and tie it into the base of the rose. And complete the design by making adjustments so it looks perfect. Snip the stem. Deflate it. Secure it. And now it's all ready to be attached. An extra 11-inch round works as an easy and effective water balloon weight. Tie a piece of ribbon or a spare twisting balloon right under the nozzle knot on the weight. Pull the weight through the bottom center and lock it in with some thorough winding.